45 bucks. $45.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
I'll try to give you both AKs again.
Are these the 3 or 4 inch coil subs? 3.5. 3.5, okay.
I know people are going to talk crap, but I like this song. You believe God is one. I feel it after midnight. The feeling that you can't fight now. It lingers when we're done. You believe God is one.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
But these aren't even broken.
So brand new still, yeah.
Made of steel. Well, naturally went down from 2 amps to 1.
Yep.
1 all day. We're back on both AKs.
Wow. What are you wired to on the subs?
Half on each amp.
Okay. Nice. And have you changed your tuning on the back end at all? No? Still? Okay.
Still same tuning as DB4s.
Awesome. Thank you very much, man. Nice seeing you, Dan.
Good seeing you.
Go look at the amps in the back. Awesome. Nice and cool. AC.
Somebody else can take it in.
What is your lithium under here, you said?
140 amp ding dongs.
Yinglongs, okay. Wow.
is a woman, and I feel it after midnight. A feeling that you can't fight, my one. It lingers when we're done. You believe God is the one. Rest in